All right, so with SPY hanging out pretty damn close to all-time highs, it's August trading. It's worth noting. It's intraday has not been great as far as a lot of opportunities. I'm finding the best opportunities to be the strong morning movers pulling back into those buy zones, right? So when you really need to keep an eye on those. And the nice thing about those is they occur outside of the morning chaos, right? It's a less whippy scenario. So keep that in mind. Nice call by Frank on Friday on a BMNR and a fives buy zone. Call of the day. I don't know if it's Allen, Alain, Elaine. I'm not sure how to say his name. Anyway, MRM through 230. And I'll just go to that real quick. Show you 5 minute candle. This was a call of the day for sure. Through 230, which was right about where my cursor is right there. And it went straight to 353 without ever really looking back. Absolutely the best call of the day, percentage-wise and all that. So anyway, let me put this up, remind everybody, we are looking for stocks that are in play to make intraday trades in them, right? So in other words, none of this is investment advice, but we do want to focus on stocks that are in play. So what's my list of stocks to watch on Monday? American Eagle, to me, still in play. AEO had this big pop, and it's really kind of coiling. Maybe one of my top watches on Monday. CRML, a rare earth play. I don't have line drawing on here, but you can kind of picture it's coiled right here. And rare earths are absolutely in play. OMEX is actually in that same category, and the chart looks very similar. VERI, interesting chart. Had this nice run back here to whatever that was, 320-ish. And now we kind of have a lower high, big volume on Friday. Let's keep our eyes on that one. Peloton, PTON, not generally a big mover. But had earnings, I think, here maybe, and topped out and had a nasty candle, and it's right back up. And if you put the horizontal line around 8, that's kind of a big breakout area. So you may have some shorts caught in that one after earnings. So let's keep our eyes on that one. AREC, I believe, is also rare earth, also very strong, looks very similar to CRML and OMEX. Another rare earth, USAR. I like the chart a lot. I put out one where you could see the line drawn from here to here to here, and another one from here to here, and it's kind of breaking out. I believe this 20 is all-time highs. You've got a lower high here of 1855. You have this high, 3 weeks ago maybe, 1646, and then on Friday it broke that, went to 1673. But it's worth noting they report after hours on Monday, so you might get some kind of squinky trading, and the big move could go either way right after earnings. So anyway, keep that in mind. MRM, already talked about that call on Friday. We definitely got to watch this one. It did have a headline. This wasn't just some random pop like we see in a lot of stocks. It had a headline and certainly had big volume. SOUN, considered in the AI group, I believe. Trying to break out here. Big volume after earnings and breaking these recent highs, but it actually closed right about at that level. So it goes on watch. It's in play. Whoops, APLD is kind of forming a cup and handle here. Let's keep our eyes on that one. BMNR, big volume on Friday, and it's got some room to run, so we'll see. What else? PAPL is one of those, as far as I can tell, nobody knows why it's getting these pops, but it closed pretty strong on Friday, so we're going to keep our eyes on that one. Joby, JOBY, has had earnings after this. I mean, it had a really nice rally, consolidation, then popped, and now we're 4 days in a row back down, really to some support here. So Joby's one of my top bounce watch plays for Monday. Crocs, CROX, to me feels overdone to the downside, but you guys, who knows? What I'd like to see is a tight range all day and then a late day high of day break. That could give us a nice bounce play setup. And then RKT, Rocket Mortgage, has been on fire. Really nice run here, pulled back, another nice run. 2 pretty clean days back down into the 8-day. That one also goes on bounce watch. I'll see you guys, 6:30-ish Monday morning, where we'll add some gappers to this list. All right, have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you on Monday.